This is Osa and I'll teach you how to play it, so here we go. Here's a bunch of songs you can choose about to play. If you want more songs or beat maps, you can just download more on Osa's homepage. Anyway, he'll take a song and we will start from the beginning. Here's the hit circles you hit by playing the song with your computer mouse, of course. There's also sliders like this, and is something called spinners who also exist. Spinner is kind of obvious because of its appearance. You'll see it on the screen and you'll understand it immediately what to do. Notice that these hit circles will appear to the rhythm in music, so you have to listen to the song while playing this game. In the left corner over here, you got your life spawn or performance gauge like it stands over here. And if the red life energy turns grey, you have died, or the song will just end and you're lost. In the right corner, you got your points you received while you're playing this game. So, oh, you can play Usu. Congrats!